A very good evening to all of you. It's an absolute pleasure. It's my first time in Mumbai and I am attending the Kalagoda Art Festival. It's an absolute pleasure to be amongst you all. And I think it's going to be a extravaganza of art, music, and along with it, the theme that has been added this year to make it all accessible. I believe that will, add another feather to the cap of the Kalagoda Art Festival, which is functioning since the last 26 years. My best wishes to the team and for all the hard work that has been put in by everyone. I really congratulate all of you for this. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So,
I take this opportunity once again to mention here that, of course, festival, but this Kalagoda festival is associated with us to convert entire Kalagoda precinct into pedestrian experience, and I think the work is almost in completion stage now, and Brindaji and all of the organizers here are not limiting themselves to one off festival, but it's a continuous process, and we want to present Kalagoda as a meaningful cultural center where Mumbai breathes. So that is almost ready now. We all might have, many of you might have seen, experienced that thing, but come and enjoy it in next few days. Thank you.
I never imagined we would be all standing here 26 years ago because I was there 26 years ago. And if I had known, I would never have taken this up. It's a mammoth task. And but yes, at the end of the day, we really enjoy it. And it's all thanks to all the people who help at the festival. And some of them have been there with us for many, many years. Some are very new, they bring a new flavor. And Rohini, we forgot to thank the police.
not yet. There's lots of thank yous to be done. We will thank all of them, I promise you.
Hello, I'm Bhumi Pednekar and I am at the Kala Ghoda Arts Festival.
This is 26th edition of Kala Ghoda and you have been here before. How's your experience?
Well, I think it only keeps getting bigger and better every year. Truly, my congratulations to the entire team because I'm sure it takes an army, months of planning, and just the resilience and passion to keep going for 26 years. You know, the Kala Ghoda Arts Festival is iconic to Mumbai. And it has become a very big part of Mumbai's culture. And I'm so happy that I could come here today, especially on a day when I just had a show that released yesterday and I'm playing a member of the Mumbai Police Force, which makes me so happy because I'm a true blood Mumbaikar. And I was like, I was in the city and I was like, I'm going to make it come what may.
Have you attended this festival before?
I have actually a couple of times when I was young, and I'm telling you, it's just increasing in size. Like the radius at which the festival is happening is just increasing.
Okay, you as you said, you have just played a Mumbai cop, and this festival always preserve the Mumbai's culture. What's your core memory from this festival, and what that one fact that you always like about Kala Ghoda Arts Festival?
I think to begin with that it is so true and honest and hasn't really changed what the art festival is trying to do. It is always about celebrating Mumbai, India, our artisans, what's indigenous to us, and that's something I really, really respect and love about the Kala Ghoda Arts Festival. A very nice memory that I had was when I was younger and I was actually seeing one of the performances like so. And I remember seeing that one day I will be on the stage and here I am.
And as they say, this is the full circle.
Yes, this is 100% a full circle for me. And I'm telling you, I love my city so much. I will extend myself in every way for everything for Bombay.
So now I think I've reached a sort of level of zen, you could say. And there are times where I used to get stressed out. I think I've just got very used to it, and and that's how it's become so big. Because anyone says, "So what shall we do?" and I'll say, "No, don't worry, it'll solve itself." So, and I'm now actually enjoying it. There was a time where I did not because it was a lot of work, and it still is a lot of work.
Absolutely. You know what amazes me is that Brinda's seen it for 26 years. I've seen it as a volunteer, as an audience. But now that I am backstage and I'm part of the festival, what amazes me is that हर साल जब ये stage लगता है ना, इसके सामने 10,000 लोग आ जाते हैं. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल बिकॉज मुंबई, आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ द पीपल. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ ट्रूली व्हाट कालाघोड़ा इज़. और फ्रॉम बैक, ओह इट्स सो मच फन, क्योंकि यहाँ पर ना बैक स्टेज एक पार्टी होती है. क्योंकि ज़रा सोचिए, आप तो स्टेज पर इन कलाकारों को देखते हैं, लेकिन ये कलाकार जो होते हैं बच्चे हैं. जैसे कि आपने थोड़ी देर पहले देखा था, दे वर किड्स यू नो हु आर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड, जो मलखम कर रहे हैं. अब सोचिए वो कुछ चंद घंटों से यहाँ पर है, उनके लिए सैंडविचेस, चाय, कॉफ़ी वगैरह जा रहा है. आई जस्ट थिंक दैट इज़ मुंबई. क्योंकि हम सब ना ये जो फील करते हैं ना काला घोड़ा के वक्त, ये वो फेस्टिवल का स्पिरिट है, मुंबई की स्पिरिट है.
So inclusivity has always been promoted. It's just that it's become a trend now to talk about it. So it's nothing new for us. There are many things which are not new. We started about the environment when people were talking only about the environment. So we have thought about everything way before anybody else has done that.
Actually, we just say thank you, honestly, to this city who opens their arms to us and they say, आइए ना, you know, हमारे कैफ़े में आइए, हमारे रेस्टोरेंट में आइए, आप यहाँ पर कुछ कीजिए. तो thank you Mumbai for making it happen.